Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D2 chapter number 6 exercise 6A, that is about algebraic fractions. In this lesson I will solve basic level question number 4 that says simplify each of the following. Before going to the lesson, there are some key terms that we have to understand. For this lesson, we should have the grasp on laws of indices, multiplication and division laws of indices with same basis, and the concept of reciprocal, and the integration of lesson with the previous lessons. For better understanding of next lesson, let's move to first part of the question. First part of the question is 15a square upon 8ab cube c multiplied by 4c upon 5ab. It's better to write the constant coefficients in the beginning, like we have 15 multiplied by 4, then 8 and 5, and then we have to write the variable terms a square and c, a square c multiplied by a, b cube, c multiplied by a and b. Now read the tables 4 ones are and 4 twos are and 5 ones are and 5 threes are. So from the constant coefficients I am left with 3 by 2. Looking at the variable terms, I have a multiplied by a in the denominator. So first apply the multiplication law of indices with same basis. This will become a square multiplied by c, and this will become a square, and then when b cube will be multiplied by b, this will become b4, and c is alone in the denominator, so it will be c only. So a square and a square are the same letters with same parts. We can simplify it. C is same, so my answer will be 3 by 2 b4. I hope you are clear about this question. My answer is 3 by 2 and b4. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's move to the next question. Next question is 3 into c plus d upon c minus d multiplied by 2c minus 2d upon 8c plus 8d. Here you should have the command on the methods of factorization as well. If you find any difficulty about the methods of factorization, I'll give the link in the description box. You can watch that lesson for the better understanding of this lesson. So what I have to do, I have to write 3c plus d upon c minus d as it is, multiplied by, if we look at 2c minus 2d, 2 is the common factor here, extract it out, pull it out, 2c minus d. Looking at the denominator, 8 is the common factor, 8c plus d. Let me make the bracket clearly. Okay, now if we look at c minus d, we can cancel this c minus d and c plus d, and I'm left with 3 multiplied by 2 upon 8. Now this 2 and 8 can be simplified. 2 ones are and 2 fours are, and the final answer will be 3 by 4. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. Next question is a minus 2b upon 16 divided by 4a minus 8b upon 24. We know whenever we have the division sign between two fractions, we have to take the reciprocal, and this division sign will be changed into multiplication, and we have to flip the fraction which is after this division sign. So according to that, the question will take the form a minus 2b upon 16 multiplied by, now 24 for the reciprocal, the denominator which is 24 will become the numerator, and my numerator will become denominator for a minus 8b. Now 24 and 16 are the common terms. So what I can do is a minus 2b upon 16 multiplied by 24. Look at 4a minus 8b. I can extract 4 out, and inside the bracket I will left with a minus 2b. Here you should have the command on the factorization. I am extracting 4 out, and then inside the bracket I will left with a minus 2b. Now look, this a minus 2b in the denominator and in the numerator we can simplify this, and this will give me answer 1. We are dividing the like terms, and I'm left with 24 upon 16 multiplied by 4. 4 6 are 24, 2 3s are, and 2 8s are, and the final answer will be 3/8. You should have the good command on the tables. Let's move to the next part of the question. Next part of the question is 8c cube. 8c cube upon 6c plus d. Again, I have to take the reciprocal. This division sign will be changed into multiplication sign, and the new denominator will become the numerator 3c plus 3d upon 2c square. Now, if we look at 3c plus 3d, we can extract 3 as a common factor. 6c plus d multiplied by, extract the common factor out, c plus d upon 2c square. Now look, c plus d is the common number in the denominator and numerator. We can cancel it, and I'm left with, and if we look at c cube and c square, here we can apply the division law of indices with same basis, and according to that, c cube divided by c square will be equal to c3 minus 2, which is equal to c. So 8c multiplied by 3 upon 2 into 6. Now look, 3 1s are and 3 2s are, and this will become 8c by 4, and 4 is suitable for 8. 4 1s are, 4 2s are, and my answer will be 2c. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.